नमस्कार साथियों। आज हम आप सभी को चैप्टर 11 द कैमल्स कंप्लेंट का क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 बताएंगे। रीड द एक्सट्रैक्ट्स गिवन बिलो एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो। पैसेज हमारा है पैसेज ए, पैरट्स हैव क्रैकर्स टू क्रंच। इससे संबंधित पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हिच क्रीचर इज मेंशन्ड बिफोर दिस लाइन, व्हाट डज इट फीड ऑन। तो इसका आंसर होगा कैनेरी, CANARY, कैनेरी। बर्ड्स आर मेंशन्ड बिफोर दिस लाइन, दे फीड ऑन सुगर एंड सीड। अगला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज द फेवरेट मील ऑफ पुडल्स, व्हाट डज दिस टेल अस अबाउट दिस वे दे आर ट्रीटेड। इसका आंसर होगा नूडल्स विद क्रीम and chicken is the favorite meal of poodles. Their diet tells us that poodles are pampered and treated with great care. They are considered to be luxurious pets. Third question is what do you think a camel's diet includes? इसका आंसर होगा camels can eat a variety of things from thorny bushes to dry grass. They can eat almost anything in the desert since their bodies are adapted to survive in arid arid conditions. Last question is what is the camel's complaint about the place allotted for its rest and sleep? इसका आंसर होगा द कैमल feels that unlike other animal, it does not have any specific place to sleep or rest that has been specially designed for him. अगला पैसेज है पैसेज बी। A snake is as around as a hole in the ground and whistles are wavy and sleek. इस पैसेज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विद विच एनिमल्स इज द कैमल शेप कंपेयर्ड। इसका आंसर होगा द कैमल शेप इज कंपेयर्ड टू द शेप ऑफ स्नैक एंड बीसेल्स। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन व्हाट शेप डज द कैमल हैव। इसका आंसर होगा द कैमल डज नॉट हैव ए स्पेसिफिक शेप, it feels that it is lumpy, bumpy, humpy, and any shape will do for him. Basically, no one gave any thought to his shape. Third question which figure of speech has been used in this first line? तो फर्स्ट लाइन में कौन सा फिगर ऑफ स्पीच यूज किया गया है? इसका आंसर होगा ए सिमिली, SIMILE, ए सिमिली हैज बीन यूज्ड इन द फर्स्ट लाइन। अगला क्वेश्चन है इज द कैमल जस्टिफाइड इन कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट इट्स शेप, How does its shape help in its natural habitat? इसका आंसर होगा the camel is portrayed portrayed as complaining about its shape and the difficulties it possesses in his everyday life. However, while the camel may have its complaints, its shape in truth is highly adapted to its natural habitat and helps it survive in the harsh conditions of the desert. Its hump serves as a fat store that it can draw upon when food and water are scarce. Scarce. Its long legs, broad feet, and paddled soles help it move easily across the desert sand without sinking. Its wide nostrils can be closed to keep out sand and dust, and their long, thick eyelashes protect their eyes from blowing sand and harsh sunlight. Its unique physical features allowed it to travel long distances across the desert and go for long periods without food and water, making it a valuable asset for those who live in deserts. Thank you.